LOL backpack. And I love the glitters in the background. Next up we have a folding fan.
Hooray!
Perfect for the hot days. A cute water bottle. An awesome sticker sheet. A cool hair extension with sequins on it. And a tutu with stars on it. Also, this cute LOL headband. All these amazing goodies come in this reusable tote bag. If you guys want this Showbag plus much more, make sure to check out showbags.com.au, even after paying level. Bye guys!